I'm Steve Irwin, the turkey hunter.
And I'm Wes Mannion.
Today we're at Reese High School, out back, looking for wild turkeys.
You could have imagined our excitement when we heard that we could travel to a deciduous forest.
And view wild turkeys.
Crikey, look over here. It's a beech tree.
Look at this beech tree. You can tell it's a beech tree just by the way it is. Also, the bark is a really dead giveaway in the rounded leaves. There's none here, I can't tell. What is that over there? Wild turkeys!
We found 2 wild turkeys doing a courtship dance.
We're gonna hide over here.
We're gonna hide and watch.
Steve, I think it's time for a commercial break.
Magnificent work. It's magnificent. Okay, maybe commercial break, commercial